Today, I'm bringing you a strawberry chong syrup. Recipe that everyone thinks is easy, but most people are actually missing the crucial secret tip. I took one sip and was honestly shocked. All right, let's get straight to it. First, grab your strawberries and rinse them clean. Now, for the heart of the syrup, sugar and strawberries. Don't overthink it. Just go with a 11 ratio and mix them right up. Swish! But wait, here's the most important part. If you skip this, the flavor balance is gonna be a total mess. You gotta squeeze in half a lemon. If you don't have a lemon, find something else that's sour. It might be a bit of a hassle, but this one step makes a world of difference. So I'm telling you, you gotta do it. Now pop it in the fridge for exactly 1 day. Take it out the next day, give it a good stir. So the sugar melts and boom, your strawberry chong is done. Clack! Mix it with some milk or sparkling water and take a sip. Man, I was blown away by how rich this tastes. Seriously, you could start a cafe business with this flavor. Before the strawberry season is over, go ahead and give this simple recipe a shot.